Are you searching best product for purchase from online marketplace? You must know the best product selection. BD Technical Master gives you top 5 best products list. Happy buying partner forever.
BD Technical Master presents top 5 best portable blender reviews. Number 1. Magic Bullet Blender, Small, Silver, 11-piece set. 13-piece blender set, includes blender, additional blender cups, blades, recipe book and more. The Magic Bullet chops, mixes, blends, whips, grinds and more. Cups are made out of high-impact plastic, effortlessly create your favorite meals and snacks like smoothies, omelets, sauces and dips. Number 2, Ninja BL456 Nutri Pro Compact Personal Blender, with 18 ounces and 24 ounces to-go cups, in a black and silver finish. 900 watts of professional power breaks down fruits and vegetables for nutritious juices and smoothies. The Nutri Ninja Pro provides you with powerful nutrient and vitamin extraction performance to extract hidden nutrition from whole fruits and veggies. Number 3, Diag Personal Blender, 500 watt high-speed smoothie blender, single-serve blender for shakes and smoothies. Mini blender with 20 Oz portable blender cups, coffee grinder cup, and chopper, silver, BPA-free tin portable bottles with travel lid. 20-ounce bottle has enough space for your favorite drinks. Make your on-the-go lifestyle a bit easier. One-button operation, user-friendly operation. Number 4, NutriBullet 600 watts Nutrient Extractor, 6 PCs. The NutriBullet is the fastest, easiest solution for making nutrient-packed smoothies. Load it up with your favorite whole foods like nuts, berries and spinach. Then push, twist and blend your way to a healthier lifestyle. Powerful 600 watt motor and refined nutrient extraction blades blend whole foods into liquid fuel for your body, in seconds. Powerful stainless steel extractor blades use cyclonic action to break down tough ingredients. Number 5, Tint-Wall Portable Blender, Smoothie Blenders, Personal Size Blender USB Rechargeable Smoothies and Shakes Juicer Cup, 4000 mAh Battery Strong Power Pink. Single charge for 3 hours, making 20 cups juice. Comes with USB cable. This single-serve blender can be easily charged by power bank, laptop, computer or other USB devices. Keep your travel on the go. Get the product link on the video description.